Are you ready to eat again?
Not yet. Later.
Later.
I can trust myself, I believe it now. I can trust myself, I believe it now. I can trust myself, I believe it now.
This is a place where you can see the entire Zamboanga City. And it takes no sweat to get here.
Look at that place. The spot. It's like Batanes in Zamboanga. Mini Batanes in Zamboanga.
I can trust myself, I believe it now.
Grassland.
I can trust myself, I believe it now.
You have to check this out. It's only like 30 minutes from the city.
Our kuya driver waiting for us.
We're gonna eat some KnickerBocker. I think that's a special kind of ice cream here. So
Yes.
we're gonna try this out. Let's check it out.
Of the day, and we're finding a seat. So I guess this is a good place where to eat the KnickerBocker, facing the sunset.
What do you call this? Ice cream or halo-halo?
This is KnickerBocker. It's not an ice cream, it's not a halo-halo, but a KnickerBocker.
With fruits inside. Refreshing. For me, it's like halo-halo salad, no? Fruit salad, ice cream. So, what can you say about this food?
This food is really good. As you can taste, there's a fresh mango, watermelon, there's papaya, and creamy milk.
What it cost?
Strawberry ice cream, and it
Wow.
only costs 75 pesos. The best thing about this place is that when you eat it here, you're gonna eat it with the sunset. Look at the sunset. It's beautiful.